Hi, I'm Nikita from Salem. I run a center called Foothills Open Learning Center. Our aim was to start a community for open learning and where children can come and use the space with whatever talents that they have. Because school is something where it's becoming more commercialized, more like instructions, and it's almost like a closed space where children are not allowed to do much of what they want to do. It's basically given instructions and then they take it forward, and there's no kind of communication between the children or the teacher. So when the child wants to ask a question to the teacher may say, I don't want to answer right now, or will say, you're not supposed to talk in between the class when I'm taking. So we started realizing why I have to put my son in school, because when he was born, we were exploring different kinds of Montessori education, Waldorf, and stuff. I also did my Montessori, but I never saw him so interested in it. But he showed a lot of other interest, like doing carpentry, repairing cars, wanting to remove the car wheel and putting it back inside. He kept doing it every Sunday religiously when his father was at home, or even otherwise with the drivers. Whenever they were free, he would just go remove it, and that too, and he was almost 3.5 years. So that made me really think why I should not homeschool my child. We met a lot of families, we met a lot of people, we even went to Arohi and found that okay, fine, now we have made a decision that we'll open learn our child. We will not send him to school. And when he was at home, he was too much addicted to TV. Then slowly we transformed the TV thing to become very less by giving him more of activity based things. He started playing with clay, he started making things, we started taking him to new places, he started going to his father's office. He explored on checks and rubber bands and counting machines and so many other things, which started fascinating him, and doing drawing, coloring. So we somehow we also started having an interest towards bringing up our child in an open learning space. And after our second child, we opened a center called Foothills Open Learning Center in Salem, and we have been running it from 2 years. I have done Montessori there for 1 year, and this is the second year. Due to COVID, we couldn't run it, and now yes, I've been going it to Arohi every alternative weeks, and I said I should attend this skin program with all of y'all so that I could get more understanding about what actually I'm looking at, how to build a community, how to uh, do more things fruitfully, and also help the society and my children and the children who are in need. It is an open space even for children who go to school. Even now children come, play, do yoga and a lot of art activities. So it's fun being around children. It gives us a lot of learning, peace, happiness, and even they feel more happy. And I think that's what life is supposed to be: happy, live happily, and learn to respect each other's, and also give them the choice of what they want to do. Thank you.